Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we are going to draw
It is Kion.
Kion from the Lion Guard. For this, you will need a sketchbook, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button,
so you won't miss our new drawing lessons. Let's start by drawing the head. We will draw an approximate shape of his head.
It's like a circle.
Let's draw a circle. Move your circle to the side to leave room for drawing the entire lion's body. Let's draw his chin. To do this nicely, draw two parallel lines. Now, watch as we connect them right here. Let's draw his smile now. Well done! And let's draw his nose. Pay close attention to how I'm drawing. Follow me step by step. Great! Now, our task is to finish drawing the features of his face. Well done! Now, watch and repeat after me. Here, we'll draw his eyes. Now, let's draw his eyebrows. Watch and follow along. Great job! Now, let's continue drawing his head. Let's draw his cheeks. And the rest of his head. Now, we will draw his ear right here. Look closely and follow my lead. Now, let's draw his other ear. Good. Now, let's draw his lion's mane. Now, let's draw Kion's body.
Yes.
Just watch carefully as I draw. Draw his neck. Now, let's draw a circle here. This will make it easier for us to draw. And here, we need to draw a line like this. And here, we start drawing his front leg. Take your time. Let's draw this part of his back. And start drawing his front legs. Stop. You did a great job, but we need to make a few adjustments. Now, let's finish with the front legs. Now, let's draw the ground. Draw a straight line like this. Now, let's draw his claws. And now, let's continue drawing the rest of his body. Draw his back. And draw his hind legs. Now, let's draw a line for his belly. And continue drawing his hind legs. Now, let's add his coloring. Watch and follow me. And finally, we can draw his tail. Now, let's put the pencil aside and take a black marker to outline our drawing. Put the black marker aside. Take an eraser to remove any unnecessary lines.
MOM, we forgot to draw his lion's whiskers.
Right, let's draw them now. Put the eraser aside. Take colored markers to color our drawing.
Friends, please give us more likes. It will help make our channel popular.
We're finished. Shall we show how it turned out?